Hello everyone, tie your hair in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twister band, and have a rubber band attach the top part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, have it combined with a common rubber band making a ponytail, and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into the own loop. Then after that, combine all of them together with a common rubber band and stuff the tail into the middle one and make it as a bun and remove the bun to the top right under the first lump we created. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Do the same for the right side and have it tied over the braid we have and have it secure with the rubber band. Have a left section of the hair combed a little bit and have a rubber band attached to it and create a gap using your finger. Drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side and combine both the tails together with another rubber band and split the tail into 4 equal parts and have rubber bands attached to each of it in the middle one and drop the tail into the middle one making it as a twisted band and combine all the 4 together with another rubber band. Stuff the tail. Make ponytails on the side sections of the hair on the top side and have them split them into 2 parts and have one of them split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the same braiding on the right side, have it crisscross each other in the middle twice and have it go behind the ponytail and have it attached making another ponytail along with the braid. Then after that, secure the end with the rubber band. Grab the hair from the sides and tie it in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twister band with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail. Split them into 2 parts and have ponytails on each of them and split the tails into 2 parts again and have a rubber band the middle one and drop the tail into the middle part making it as a twisted band. Then after that, combine all the 4 together with a common rubber band and stuff the tips into the first loop we created. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and create a gap using your finger. Drop the entire tail into it. Then grab a section of the hair from the left, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. Then have the end secure with the rubber band and have the left braid go into the loop from the front and do the same for the right one and combine both the braids together with another rubber band. Then grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle right in front of the braid. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and secure the end with the rubber band and roll the braid in a clockwise manner and secure the tip underneath the bun and split them into 2 parts and have it braided and make it anti-clockwise under the bun you created. Once again, go for a bunch in the top section of the hair and create a gap using your finger. Drop the entire tail into it and have the left section of the hair split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. Do the same braiding on the right side. Drop the right braid into the loop. Do the same for the left one as well and make it go back. Then do the same braiding for a section of the hair right below the first one and have the braid secure with the rubber band and have both of the braids combined together with a common rubber band. Thank you everyone for watching this video.